Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to make posters using AI tool. Firstly, we are finding few reference images for our poster. So we are on this site Freepik. This one look good, so we'll take a screenshot of this and then we'll jump into this ChatGPT. Here we are pasting our picture and asking ChatGPT to suggest few prompt for this image. Now we got our prompt, then we just simply copy it and we will use this to generate few images like we have in the reference image. Like this, you can generate many other posters and you can use it for your own purpose. We are upscaling this image so that we can get this image in good quality. Then just simply go to export button and select JPG or PNG, that is up to you, and save it. Suppose if you need any changes in your output, you can just simply select edit area and select the portion which you want to edit or erase, whatever you want. You can just select this area, that area whichever you want to edit, and just simply press erase or modify it according to your requirement. Just like here I'm seeing this text is little bit incorrect, that is Janmashtami, and it looks like overlapping, so I'm just erasing this all Happy Janmashtami text and making it all white. So here is our output with no text here. If you want to add any text, you can add it in Recraft only. You don't have to go anywhere else to add text separately. Now we are moving to our second reference. See, this is a text, calligraphy text of Happy Janmashtami. We just want to use this as a social media post. So we just take this screenshot and like we did earlier, we just copy and paste this image on this ChatGPT, and we'll ask to write a prompt for this image. If we don't get a prompt according to our requirement, we can ask to tweak it to make it functional for our purpose. After pasting the prompt, hit Recraft and that will generate your output. And yeah, if you want your images or these output in vector form, you can also do that. See, there's an option of vectorize. You can simply just click vectorize and that will give you output in vector form. That's it for today. We'll catch up in the next session with more learning and exciting AI features.